Get ready for the next-gen smartphone experience with the upcoming OnePlus Ace 5 series, a performance-centric device set to launch in Q2 2025, featuring the groundbreaking MediaTek Dimensity 9350 SoC, a stunning 1.5K resolution display, and an enormous 7,000 mAh battery with next-gen heat dissipation technology. If you're a tech enthusiast hungry for flagship-level performance at a competitive mid-range price, this series is the game-changer you've been waiting for. Stay tuned as we unravel all the details about the Ace 5 series, revealing how it stacks up against rivals like Xiaomi's Redmi Turbo 4 Pro and iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro. Welcome to the future of mobile innovation, right here on TechVerse. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz on the highly anticipated OnePlus Ace 5 series, a performance-centric smartphone lineup that's set to redefine the mid-range market and challenge the best of them with its cutting-edge features and advanced technology. According to tipster Smart Pikachu, the new OnePlus Ace 5 series, which may be marketed as the OnePlus Ace 5s or Ace 5V, is slated to launch in Q2 2025, with a potential window between April and June. This launch comes on the heels of the Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro that debuted in China back in December 2024, both powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon processors. However, this new iteration is generating even more excitement because it's rumored to be equipped with the upcoming MediaTek Dimensity 9350 SoC, promising flagship-level performance at a mid-range price point. The device is also expected to feature a stunning 1.5K resolution flat display with narrow bezels that deliver an immersive visual experience and a sleek, modern design. One of the most talked about specifications is its enormous 7,000 mAh battery, engineered to provide all-day power while supporting fast charging via both wired and wireless methods, and enhanced by a revolutionary new heat dissipation technology that is expected to achieve top scores in synthetic benchmarks. While many of the detailed specifications remain under wraps, early leaks suggest that the OnePlus Ace 5 series could be priced similarly to the Ace 3V, which launched at around 1,999 Chinese yuan, roughly 25,000 rupees, potentially following a similar strategy for global markets, including India where previous models were rebranded. This competitive pricing, coupled with the promise of high-end performance and innovative features, positions the Ace 5 series as a strong contender against rivals like Xiaomi's Redmi Turbo 4 Pro and the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro. As we eagerly await more detailed announcements and official specs, it's clear that OnePlus is doubling down on performance and efficiency to deliver a device that meets the demands of tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Stay tuned as TechVerse continues to bring you exclusive updates, in-depth reviews, and all the latest insights into this game-changing smartphone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to TechVerse for more cutting-edge tech news and reviews.